from the delivery box to our table. What do we have, Sophie? Got a fresh set of rods come right back from the machine shop. Had the small end bushings all replaced. Super Tech pistons, 87.5 mil, 11 to 1, 11.5 to 1. Rings have already been set. I put a block guard in the block and it had to be re-honed to make sure that it's 100% straight. All the cylinders. Got our measurement tools, bore gauge, micrometers, history, and our guide, or as Matt says, the Honda Bible. All right, let's go on to measuring. You helping, Soph? Yeah. All these fresh parts.